So we have the two versions of the Downunder. This one here, which is the in-ground version, and then we have the in-deck version. With the in-ground version, we are limited by cavity space here. So what we recommend is a 10-meter long edge-bound cover or a 12-meter long non-edge-bound cover. A 12-meter long edge-bound cover can fit in here. It is pretty snug, but the risk is that it is too tight and it is not able to come out. So we generally recommend that 10-meter edge-bound cover. Okay, so when we've got our unit prepped and ready and in position, what we're simply going to do is undo all our screw and grommets within the lid. We're going to remove the lid, set that aside somewhere neat and tidy. Then we're going to get our timber jig that we've designed up here, which is simply going to knock into position. So what this is going to do, we can see here we've got a very nice clean edge against the edge of the frame and a very clean edge on our finished end plate height, which is going to be our finished patio height. So if we're concreting this unit in place, we're going to put our timber jig in. The concrete team are going to form up to this with their trowels, real nice and clean. They're going to run around the edge off along here. Once concrete has been set, they're simply going to lift the concrete out and we're going to have a very clean, nice finish to our concrete.